Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we continue with this. It's hashtag Youth Cafe. You can follow me at Brian_Sally and of course at Tandiwe_Yego. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why I keep on saying ladies and gentlemen, because there is a gentleman here who plays the role of a lady so well. I decided to look for him and I found him. So put your hands together as we welcome the one, the only, Mike Muchiri. Karibu.
Asante sana.
Nini. I like your character and how you break it down, but people don't know you're a comedian. Ebu, talk to us about it. Just introduce yourself so that Kenya knows you.
Yeah. So my name is Muchiri Mike. I'm a student at East University. I'm doing biomedical science, but most people...
Bio what?
Biomedical science. But most people think I'm either doing something to do with arts, media, or music, but I'm doing biomedical science. I'm a singer. Apart from that, I make Kenya a happier place by doing the vines.
I like that tagline, I make Kenya a happier place. If you think this guy is lying, there's a video that's doing rounds on Facebook, IG, and Twitter. Definitely, you have seen Mike Muchiri, but you just don't know that that is him. Take a look at your TV screens right now and get to laugh, because he makes Kenya a what? A happier place. You got it right.
Mama Jerry, dakika moja Mike ananipigia. Hello. Acha tunapika nini? Kidogo Mama Jerry. Tutapika shakura. Mimi na mtoto nipikie shakura. Nyinyi mkitaka mshemshe hizo, mkatakata hizo slippers mpike. Mshemshe hizo slippers mpike mkule, mimi nipikie shakura. Sawa sawa. Mom, nataka kwenda town. Ni nani anakusuia? Si enda town, mimi sina useless. Enda town. Ukitaka teremka mpaka Sibabwe ukasalimie Mugabe. Enda. Mom, nenda na nini? Si unisaidie na fare, nipe fare. Ate mami itaenda town na nini? Kwani umekuwa kiwete? Aya, wacha nikwambie. Ukitoka hapo nje, hapo kwa corridor, kuna ufagio. Chukua hiyo ufagio, ukalie, upepeluke mpaka town kama wale wagaga wa kitabu. Si hutaki kutumia miguu? Mom, tunapika ugali na nini? Hujui tunapikaga shakura na nini? Haya, sawa, wacha nikwambie. Unaona shakura sagu? Shakura sagu na samtoto. Upikie hapo kwa sufuria. Wewe sako ukitaka uchukue hiyo doi kwa bafu, sababu kuna nape, kutoa hiyo mafi weke chini, upikie shakura sako hapo. Mami, kusaidiza mizigo? Hapana. Hata usinisaidie. Unajua nyinyi niliwasaa mketigi hapo chini. Hapa nimeshoka, hata kuna mwenye ananiambia nisaidie hizi mizigo. Sawa sawa. Nakwambia ile siku nitaenda Rodon, mtanitafuta hapa mtaniko.
Mike, first of all, you don't look like you can do anything like that, but it cracked me up. I actually was just doing a random spree on Facebook, but how did you get the inspiration behind that?
So, many people ask that because I think it's just it makes me happy when I make other people happy. It's just that. But I didn't know I can do such a thing. It was just random.
What was your first video? Was that your first video?
No, it wasn't. I have done several videos, 17 videos. And my first one was the way the Kenyan moms are not able to pronounce the name WhatsApp. And when I posted it on social media, how the people would react, my followers on Instagram, my friends on Facebook. And so the reaction towards the video was so overwhelming, and I was like, wow, kumbe people can react so well to such a thing.
But okay, first of all, does your mom behave like that? It's just in between me and you and a million other Kenyans watching right now. Ebu, talk to me about
No, she doesn't. This is an African mom. She's a Kenyan mom.
But then, if you're saying a Kenyan mom, how did you know that that's how a Kenyan mom behaves? So, if your mom does not behave that way,
okay,
unless she's Kenyan.
To a small extent, she's Kenyan, she's African, so to a small extent, she must be that mom there. But this is a mom presenting all Kenyan moms, all African moms. Yeah.
I just want us to take a look at another one and another one and another one, so that you get to know what Mike has to do. This one, something it says something against chewing gum and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Do you think that okay? If you know you're chewing gum, I bet you just need to remove it, but just take a look at your TV screens right now and get to see what Mike has to say about chewing gum.
Huyu na mboga nani? Waidera, nipatie hiyo dum. Nipatie hiyo dum. Mom, Mimi unaniambia nga mimi. Nini? Unakula hapa Big G. Hiyo Big G inatoka supu. Inatoka supu hapo, unakula kama ng'ombe ambayo inakula chelele. Siwezi soma Biblia sababu yako hapa wewe. Ninatafuta connectivity na the Holy Spirit. Hapa naona nisugua na hiyo mdomo. We, nitakuoga sana wewe. Chakula ni kuisha inaisha jikoni. Chakula imeisha jikoni. Na utafutia baraka hapa na wewe unakula ni kama ulikula last year. We.
I just decided to have fun with this one. Speaking of which, how can people find you on social media? That's one of the questions that people answer last, but I'd like you to answer right now so that people can actually get to check it right now.
So on Instagram, you can find me at muchiri.mike. On Facebook, I have a page. It's called Laughter and Inspiration with Mike. And on Twitter, it's mainge_Muchiri. Yep. And on YouTube, it's Muchiri Mike. Yep.
So you do biochemical what?
Biomedical science.
Biomedical science.
Yep.
What does it entail and how did you choose that course and where do you see yourself in the next few years?
So I'm doing biomedical science and I was very excited when I found out that I have been selected as one of the students in Daystar to do biomedical science and I just found myself there and I decided to play along.
So you're just playing along. What would you have done? Are you regretting that you're doing biomedical science or it's something that you're just doing it because you're called to do it?
No, it's, let me say it's good and I don't have any regrets and I'll just do it until the end and yeah.
Yeah, and our parents usually want everything to last forever, right? And like your mom wants you to do this course and just do it forever and ever and become so what happens when you do biomedical science? You become a doctor or a what?
Also, you can after you finish the 4 years while doing the degree in biomedical science, you can choose to progress and do several years to become a doctor, but you can choose to specialize in the area of research.
Research?
Yep.
Yeah, I've done my research and I've just realized that it's true that African moms want everything to last forever. Just get a look at that on your TV screens right now. Mike just captures the moment and of course it explains a lot. If these situations have never applied to your life, it means that either you're not a Kenyan or you're just not aware.
Hebu nione hiyo kiatu. Hebu geuza. Geuka. Ise, ukienda shule unakuaga tu a guide. Ama unakuaga kiguna jia. Kiatu ya last year, hii kiatu najua inafaa ikae muda gani? Hii kiatu inafaa ikae miaka 3. Kiatu ya last year imeshapa imegoga hivi. Hey! Si nilikwambia juzi usikie ushugu wa pesa wewe. Ile siku utatembea miguu tupu ndio utajua ushugu wewe. Wewe. Kiatu unaharibu hivyo sababu ni baba yako anatoa pesa. Sawa. Hizo pesa zingekuwa zangu ningekuwa nishakumaliza wewe. Oi! Fiasi za juzi zimeisha. Fiasi. Nyinyi, Michael, mnadhani niko na eka 10 kule na Lumolo ama Nyahururu nimepanda fiasi tupu. Ati nitaenda tu ni hapo niende nishune tu nishune fiasi. Nyinyi kuleni kabisa. Kuleni ni kama hakuna kesho. Kai, Jesus is Lord. Nikuulize, hii kampuni ya kutengeneza mafuta ya kupika inaitwaje? Bidco, si ndio? Kwa nini? Kwa hiyo jina Bidco unasikia jina babako mahali? Ama umeabio? Hiyo kampuni ya kutengeneza mafuta ya kupika ni ya hii family. Ni ya hii familia? Mafuta ya kupika? Ni kunywa unakunywa kama uji ama ni kuosha unaosha nayo nguo? Mafuta ya last week imefika hapo katikati. Hey! Mafuta ya last week, yani unashota na kweli mtoto usikii ushugu wa pesa wewe. Usikii ushugu wa pesa. Hiyo nakwambia ile siku tutatoka hapa na baba yako twende tukakule restaurant. Mwasho hapa mnapika chakula bila mafuta. Ndio utatabua kule pesa zinatoka wewe. Wewe umejaza tu ujika kwa hiyo kisho yako wewe.
Well, nakwambia, that's just the Kenyan mom. We're just about to get deeper into Youth Cafe right now. And mimi nataka tu nijibu swali, like, just 5 top 5 questions. Like, what's your favorite kind of artist in terms of music right before you sing for us, baby? And of course, what is your, who's the comedian that you look up to? Just answer those two first.
Also, the music I listen to. Yeah, I listen to rock, R&B, slow songs, and worship.
Worship?
Yep.
Worship. Say, Brando.
By your spirit, how we rise from the ashes of defeat. The resurrected King is resurrecting me. In your name I come alive to declare your victory. The resurrected King is resurrecting me.
Si sorry bas. Yani Mungu alidecide, apart from acting, apart from comedy that is, and singing, what else can you do?
Apart from singing and acting, yeah, I'm good at making friends and at talking. And I'm also an actor.
You're also an actor.
Yeah.
But I want you to sing once more, right before I play the final video, before we go on a short break.
Oh, Oh, sweet architect, my bones are heavy and my soul's a mess. I can't find my address. Build me up, build me up. Oh, sweet architect, I've been lonely since the day you left. Can't find my address. Build me up, build me up.
Say sorry, we're going to look at the final one. Thank you very much for creating time
Thank
to just be here with us. It's an honor actually meeting a young comedian. Just look at your TV screen right now and tell the young people who want to be like you, or rather the young people who want to be comedians and make the world a better place. Just talk to them right now and just tell them what they should do.
Also, I'd just say one thing, that face your fears. We all fear. And I was also hesitant on posting those videos, but I just had to do it. I just had to overcome the fear and be confident in what I do. So I tell you to be courageous, to be confident in what you do, and consistency.
Consistency. Thank you very much for creating time to be here with us. And of course, we're going to look at the final clip, and then we're going to go on a short commercial break. Stay right where you are.
Mam, umeniona ile jinsi yangu ya blue na belt yangu ya black. Mam, si uniambie tu. Yaani siwezi lala sababu yako. Na unaona hiyo jeans? Hiyo jeans nilikuwa nayo harusi ya Madonna. Nilipomaliza kuifaa nikaiweka hapa kwa mapua yako. Kuja na toshu itafute. Belot nayo nilikatakata nikapika mkakula kama spaghetti. Umefanya hii nyumba Libya. Ati unanifanya you are slave. Mimi ni bibi yako nikujulie kule kwa sako siko. Nonsense. Aiya. Ni maski yangu umenidanganya ama umenipigia mdomo? Mimi unanifanyia nwa. Mimi mama yako. Umepata mama mwingine? Mama hata sija click. Guy. Ama huko university umepata mama mwingine? Sina kuongelesha, si unijibu. Umepata mama mwingine? Ongea unaongea nini? Nimekwambia ujibu swali. Hebu nyamaza. Yaani kutoka uende university imekudanganya ati umekuwa mwanaume unaweza nipigia mdomo? Kutoka uende university umeona umekuwa mwanaume unaweza nipigia mdomo mimi? Mimi mama yako? Au mabeste wanakudanganya ati unaweza pigia mama yako mdomo, waambia wakwe mama yako. Wewe. Hata ukiwa mkubwa hivyo nitakuoga ugabe utakapa kama drama za haleluya wewe. Nitakuoga utalia kama golf. Atenga. Na huyu mtoto amemea bebe. Na umemea bebe. Hizo bebe nitangoa. Nitasingoa. Utakuza bebe na chakula sagu. Sita itikia.